I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or sus2. This is no longer cross-disciplinary. This is discussing music independently, how to build chords, how to play polyrhythm, syncopation, how to play fingerstyle. So I have a fundamental understanding of both fields simultaneously. That's cross-disciplinary. Multidisciplinary is when you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration. One area I might get into area of psychopathology, mental disorders, pathology, mental diseases. And I might get into key in on areas like, let's say, bipolar, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, or let's say bipolar 1, manic, or bipolar 2, hypomania. Now there's a number of different parapsychological phenomena that is induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take,
if you put a very,
have to take psychopathology, parapsychology.
What did you do with Jeff?
You have to take stuff like precognition.
He's not here today. He might be back next week.
Dream, a number of
In any event, I'm
parapsychological
hosting his show, The Jeff
augmented,
Richards Show.
modified,